This video, you will learn how to download Ubuntu Server OS using VirtualBox. So, you need to download the VirtualBox first, no? VirtualBox. And then, you can select what version of VirtualBox and what platform yung gamit mo. We have Windows, macOS, Linux, tas Solaris. But right now, we will use the Windows host because we are using a Windows OS no as a host. And click mo lang yan, tas may lilitaw dito sa downloads. Click. Then run. Just wait. Click next to continue. Accept the terms of the license. Next. Then you can change your installation location. But default is okay. Nice pag default. Yes. Yes. Next. Install. Then wait. Finish. The wait niya mag-pop up yung VirtualBox. And then we have dito yung menu nyo, yung preference, import, export, mga tools, yung update, check mo kung may update, machine, new and open, and then yung dito kung need nyo ng tulong, click nyo, and then we need to download the Ubuntu server LTS. Ubuntu server. LTS means long-term support. Click nyo lang to. Download 24.4.3. Pag natapos na, may lilitaw yan. May lilitaw. Hintayin nyo mag-download. Ayan Kaso naka-download na ako. Pagtapos na ma-download, edi open yan Open the new virtual machine. The name of the virtual machine, Ubuntu server. Kayong bahala kung anong naming yung gusto nyo. And then VM folder, kung saan yung folder of your virtual machine. And then ISO, which is yung dinownload natin kanina. Click others. Click your Ubuntu live server. And then dito na tayo. Set up unintended guest OS installation. We have the user here. Ganyan lang yan. And then the password. Password to. Nandun dito host name, domain name. And then next. Dito, base memory. We are choosing how many RAM. Let's put 200 2 GB. And then the CPU, number of CPU, which is 2. Use EFI. This use EFI is the latest version of the BIOS. BIOS. BIOS is the legacy BIOS, and then this is the modern one. And then here we will create a new virtual hard disk. Just select how many you want. I'll put 2000 2 GB or 3 GB, and then here just click the BDI virtual box this image, and then finish. Wait for it to install. It's powering up. Capture. Waiting. Oh, what is this? Lang. Kala ko may problema. Just wait for it, no? Ma-install. Pag na-install na, naka-automatic siya eh. And then when it's installed, you will just see, no? Login. And then, there you go. You guys are finished after that. But before that, let's explain these settings. Okay. In general, you will see your identity, which are the VM name, the name of your virtual machine, the OS, which is the Linux, and then distribution is Ubuntu. Version, 64-bit, and then features, there are snapshot folder, short clipboard, drag and drop, and then this encryption. Then in the system, you will see your motherboard, which is the BIOS, and then base memory is the RAM, processor naman, CPU, which is 2, we chose 2 earlier, and then the processing cap, 100%. Features, then acceleration. In display, we have the screen, the GPU, we only put 16 MB, and then number of virtual monitors, 1. And then skill factor, graphics controller, then in recording, the recording mode, video, file fat, frame size, frame rate, video quality, audio quality. And may nakalimutan palang explain, no? Itong nakikita nyong kulay green, ito yung hindi pa nagagamit na RAM. And then the orange and the red is that they are the occupied na, they are already used by the OS, by the host, by the system. In storage, and then the audio, enable the audio, and then our adapter. I will only discuss these three, no? This NAT, bridge adapter, internal network, because I think they are just the one who are important. NAT is the one that will use your host IP address, which means if your IP address is 192.168 and then etc. .2, then it will only use your system IP. And then bridge adapter, it will use or it will create another new IP address. It means like parang may panibago kang computer kasi ginamit niya to, bridge adapter, and then your BM will have ano sarili niyang IP address. And then internal network, it's like network only in your BM, only in your BM, so that if you want to experiment hacking, and then just use this internal network, just do the default, and then these are the ports, just like port 21, etc. USB, enable USB controller. Our default is USB 2.0. And then this shared folders and user interface. Bilang natin. Di pa tapos. Ito naman yung ginawa natin kanina. The name is Ubuntu server. Yung 64-bit. Our RAM, which is base memory, 2 GB. Our processors, only 2. And then, ito boot order, hard disk. Yung tatlo, no? Ito. Ito sila. Tatlo. Tapos yung storage, etc. etc. Tapos na. Tingnan natin. Grabe. Nangyari. Natapos na. Ubuntu server login. Our username. What is the username we used earlier, no? pbox user. And then our password. What password you put earlier. And then there we go. Ubuntu server. Let's put pwd or list. It depends on you, no? Kung anong gusto mong gawin. But let's shut down. Sudo super user do. And then power off. Then the password. There we go, no? Tapos na. And then meron ding clone dito. The name, and then path, and then clone type. Full clone is yung tawag dito when you finish, and then the full clone, it's like another virtual machine. Even you delete the original Ubuntu server, you can still use the full clone because it's like safe. And then when link clone, parang nakalink siya sa mismong original na Ubuntu server. Kapag may dinilit ka dito, parang masisira o may madidelete na din dito sa link clone. Pag full clone naman, kahit mawala tong Ubuntu server na original, it's okay pa rin, no? Wala bang mangyari.